So if this is big B, and this is C, and this is A, what I have A, B, C, right? Do I know what C is? Big C?
No.
What is it?
16.
16 degrees. What is big B?
142.
142 degrees. I want you all to find big A with the knowledge that you have in your brains. You just subtract the other two from 180, right?
No.
Okay. Now, what little letter do you have? Do you have little A, little B, or little C?
Little B.
Little B. How do you know it's little B?
Cross.
It's the one across from angle B, right there. So you know that's 4. So you've got you have three formulas up here. One has a little C, one has a little B, and one has a little A, and they all have big A, B, and C. Do you see that? So we're going to pick the one with the little b, because that's what we have. And we're going to plug in the numbers. So it's going to be 4 squared times sine of 22, sine of 16, which is C, all that in parentheses, over parentheses 2 times sine of 142, like that. And you're going to key it in your calculator and tell me what you get. So we look at the picture. The picture has all 3 angles. Well, it only had 2 angles, but we found the third angle. We found that the third angle was 22 degrees. And now we have big A, big B, big C, and little b. So we pick the second formula with the little b squared. And we type in everything into that formula. And we get 1.34 units squared. So in this case, we have big A, B, and C. They gave us C is 123. They gave us A is 18. And we need to find B by subtracting them from 180. So what do we get for big B? So big B is what, 39? And what do we have? Little a, little b, or little c in this one? Little c is 4. So we have again 4 squared times sine of 18 times sine of 39 over 2 times sine of big C, 123. Put it all in your calculator.